Hello, a lot of people are gathering and dabbling into a lot of vocations just to establish their life. All their hard work efforts and not productive. All but for one reason. And what is the reason? Village people, don't think that it's not the village people. Don't blame the village people. They could be innocent. It is as a result of wasting your seed. You could have wasted your seed several times. Whenever you waste your seed, you're activating dark forces around you. And when dark forces, when they come to you, if you don't give them what they want, they cling to you and they retard your development. They'll first of all kill you spiritually before it will take it to physically. You have to know that sexual temptation is the main temptation in life. It is the main test in life. And it is being sent to refine you. Once you stand up to it, you see great things happening in your life. Great things happen in your life. Exactly. So, whenever you waste your seed and giving into wasting of seed, the godly image in you leaves you and you become a devouring beast. So, how do we make restitution for the wasting of seed? First of all, you have to be conscious. You have to know that you have done wrong. You have to beg and ask God forgiveness. And you have to guard your eyes, because what the eye sees is what the heart thinks. You have to guard your eyes. Guard your eyes. It is very important. There is no way you can stop it without guarding your eyes. So, that is it on this thread for now. Remember, he that learns without reviewing is like a person that plants without harvesting. Always come back to review what you have learned today. This is Talmud Speaks. We give counseling at all times, reconnection in dire straits, and direction in difficult times. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, Talmud Speaks. Like and follow our page on Facebook. Thank you.